happening, guys? This is Ritik here. I know you guys were actually watching a cinematic video, and why am I coming here? It's just the initial impression of this camera. One of the things is you can't shoot, or you can't change your screen from the front to the back while shooting it. So in case I want to do it, recording actually stops. So I guess you guys have seen that. Secondly, the other problem is when the rock steady is on, there is a bit of delay in the video on front screen as well as the back screen, which is a bit annoying. I hope DJI fixes it with the firmware update. And I'm shooting this on a D-Cine profile because I tried normal one, it's not that great. There's a lot of other things to be noticed here. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and sorry for interrupting a cinematic unboxing. I'll catch you in the next video. Make sure you like the video, and bye. And yeah, in case you want to know where did I get it, it's in the description below. Just check that out. If the price is lesser than Amazon, just go with it. Bye.